Welcome to Serenity Narratives, where the mindfulness chariot transforms into a heavenly journey guided by the light of Christ, bringing you closer to God's peace and purpose. Ready to begin? Ever felt like your prayers drift unanswered into the heavens, as though lost in the vast expanse? It's unsettling, isn't it? Yet what if it's not God turning away, but earthly clutter blocking the divine line? Let's explore this together as we realign with His will. Picture this. As a radio falters with static, so doubt, impatience, and worry can obscure your communion with God. Are these unseen hindrances disrupting the grace and power of answered prayers? Take heart, there's always hope. Remember, as the gardener weeds so that plants may flourish, we too must tend our hearts. Together, let's remove the worldly barriers stopping God's blessings and step into His divine design. Faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. But imagine digging up a freshly planted seed every day, doubting its growth. Trust is letting go and believing God's unseen hand will nourish it. In Matthew 21:22, Jesus reminds us, "If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer." Let this promise from our Savior kindle your trust as faith replaces every seed of doubt. Then comes impatience, that fleeting desire to rush the Lord's perfect timing. But delays are not denials. They are divine intervals, preparing us for His greater purpose. Trust the process, for God never fails. Consider the patient farmer who sows and waits for the Lord to bless the harvest. Patience not only strengthens faith, but alongside heartfelt gratitude, transforms prayer into joyful communion. Philippians 4:6 tells us, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." Gratitude shifts focus, silencing fear and uplifting faith. Worry's poison drains strength, but surrender brings freedom. Lay your burdens at Christ's feet, for His yoke is easy and His burden light. Through surrender, peace flows from God's throne to your heart. Forgiveness too is vital. It opens the soul to divine healing. As Christ forgave us, we extend forgiveness not to condone hurt, but to free ourselves, making space for the Spirit's renewing power. Thank you for joining Serenity Narratives, where Christ is our guide and heaven is our destination. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so we can continue growing in faith together. God bless.